I've had this ugly metal pan organizer forever, and honestly, I never loved it. So I was really excited when I was gifted this bamboo pan organizer because it's just so much nicer looking and way more functional. It comes really well packaged and there's basically no setup. You just take it out of the box, slide the dividers in where you want them, and that's it. One thing I really like is that it's adjustable. You can expand it lengthwise to fit your space, whether you're using it inside a cabinet, a deep drawer, or even on a counter. You can also space the dividers based on how thick your pans or lids are, which my old organizer definitely couldn't do. It holds a good amount. I've got frying pans, larger pans, and you can also use it for pot lids, cutting boards, or even serving trays. The dividers have these little dips that are perfect for lid knobs, so everything stays upright and doesn't slide around. The bamboo itself feels really solid and sturdy, and I love that it's wood instead of metal. It just looks cleaner and more intentional in the kitchen. Overall, it's been a really simple way to keep things organized and make my cabinet way less chaotic. Definitely check it out. It's a great find.